Getting the dreaded bad image error on Windows 11? If programs won't open and error messages keep popping up, don't worry, we have got the fix. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If you are dealing with a bad image error in Windows 11, we will walk you through the best troubleshooting steps to resolve it and get your system running smoothly again. Let's dive in. Method 1. Run SFC and DISM scans. Missing or corrupted system files can be the reason for the bad image error. To fix the corrupted or missing system files, run the system file checker. To do that, type CMD in the Windows search box and select the Run as Administrator option. Copy and paste the following command in the elevated command prompt window, then press Enter. Now, Windows will start the scanning process. Check if this could fix the error or run a DISM scan. A DISM scan repairs the corrupted Windows images that can be responsible for the error. Open an elevated command prompt window and press the Enter key. Let the process finish. Restart your PC and see if the error is fixed. Method 2. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Different programs need Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable to run on Windows OS. These Visual C++ Redistributable are a set of DLL files, and sometimes DLL can get corrupted or missing from the Microsoft Visual C++ shared library. To fix this, install Microsoft Visual C++ following the steps given below. Open the Windows Run utility by pressing Windows plus R keys on the keyboard. Enter appwiz.cpl in the Run command box and press Enter. Find Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable and right-click on it. Select Uninstall option and restart your PC, and it is uninstalled. Now, click here to download the Runtimes pack. After the file is downloaded, unzip it and open the folder. Right-click on the file that is named as install_all.bat and choose Run as Administrator option. Wait till all the Vulkan runtimes install properly and then restart your PC. This time, the program should run smoothly. If the problem is still not solved, then re-register the DLL file causing the issue. Method 3. Perform system restore. If the issue started recently, restoring Windows to a previous working state may help. Search for Create a Restore Point in the Windows search bar and open it. Click System, Restore, then Next. Select a restore point before the issue began. Click Next and then Finish. Confirm with Yes and wait for the system to restore. Method 4. Reinstall the affected software. If the error is linked to a specific program, reinstalling it may fix the issue. To do that, open Control Panel using Windows Search, then select Programs and Features. Find the problematic software, right-click and select Uninstall. Download the latest version from the official website and reinstall it. You should now have fixed the bad image error on Windows 11 and gotten your programs working again. We hope one of these solutions worked for you. If it did, let us know in the comments. It might help others too. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.